So you've landed, after a long flight. You just want to get up. But the seatbelt sign is still on and the door stays shut. Why? What's the holdup? Let's break it down. What actually happens between touchdown and deboarding? Before anything else happens, the aircraft must come to a full stop, and the parking brake must be set. Then the pilots begin shutting down the engines, a process that takes a minute or two. Turbines need time to spool down safely. While that's happening, the crew starts the arrival checklist. They verify the brake is set, turn off runway lights, switch systems to ground mode, and signal the ground team. On the outside, ground staff wait for a signal from the cockpit, usually the beacon light turning off, before approaching the plane. Only now can ground handling begin. Before any activity, a ground check is completed to check the arrived aircraft for damage. Teams place chocks at the wheels to prevent the aircraft from rolling. Cones are set around the aircraft for safety reasons. Then, either a boarding bridge is connected or mobile stairs are positioned at the door. If there's a delay getting the bridge aligned or waiting for stairs, you stay seated. Meanwhile, if needed, ground staff connect the aircraft to external power or air conditioning for heating or cooling, depending on the season. This keeps the plane comfortable while the engines and onboard generators are off. Finally, the cabin crew gets the door open clearance from the captain. They unlock and arm the door, and deboarding begins. All of this usually takes 3 to 5 minutes, but can take longer due to gate congestion, equipment delays, crew procedures, weather influence, or any other cause. Knowing that, your next time sitting in a parked aircraft might be a bit easier to handle as you better understand the procedures around the aircraft. The sky has never been the limit, just the beginning. Subscribe for more short, beginner-friendly videos about aviation.